Connecting your AirPods or AirPods Pro to your iPhone or Android device is simple. Here's how to get started. We'll go over how to connect them to your iPhone automatically, to your Android device manually, and how you can switch to listening on your AirPods from another device. Before you start, make sure your iPhone is updated to the latest version of iOS. If you're using an iPhone, your AirPods will connect automatically. Just bring your AirPods next to your iPhone, then open the case. If you're reconnecting your AirPods with your iPhone, press and hold the button on the back of your AirPods case to reset them. When the prompt appears, tap Connect. When they're connected, the status light on the case will blink and then go solid. Follow the on-screen prompts, and when you're ready, tap Done. If Find My is enabled, your AirPods will appear there automatically. To connect your AirPods manually, or if you're using an Android device, you can connect via Bluetooth settings. On an Android device, go to Settings, and then select Bluetooth. Next, bring your AirPods close to your device, and open the case. Press and hold the button on the back of the case until you see the status light flash white. Then select your AirPods from the list of Bluetooth devices, and follow the on-screen prompts. Listening on speakers or a different set of headphones and want to switch to your AirPods? To choose what you're listening on, first make sure your case is open. Then, open Control Center on your iPhone and touch and hold the audio card in the upper right corner. Next, tap the AirPlay icon. Then choose the device you want. Now you can make calls, listen to a podcast, or your favorite song on repeat with your AirPods or AirPods Pro. For more helpful tips,